Finding remote sales jobs in 2025 can be very confusing, especially if you have no idea where to start or if you have no idea where to look. And most people are exactly like in this picture right here. This is likely most people right now. They're networking, looking on Facebook, just the job postings, reaching out to people on Instagram, to these coaches and offer owners, just DMing them that they're an appointment setter or a closer, and not ending up anywhere. And then that leads them to most likely landing on very shit offers where they're probably making a few $100s a month, maybe a few thousand, and then they're kind of capped and they're not able to find these gold mine offers that are able to provide them at least $10,000 a month anywhere in the world, which will unlock you not only time freedom and location freedom, but eventually financial freedom as well. So in this video today, we'll be going over exactly how we're gonna bring you to these gold mine offers to break through this wall right here. So that way you can unlock all of these things and finally find the remote sales dream that you were kind of looking for and that I was looking for at first as well. Because as we look at this piece of art right here that I created, you have the worst salesman in the world. He's gonna be absolutely printing on the gold mine offer. Even though he's absolute shit at sales, he positioned himself in the right offer that's able to provide him unlimited girls, 10 out of 10s, with big double Ds, unlimited cash flow. He's floating off into wherever country he wants to go to. For myself, coming out to Thailand, other people, Colombia, Mexico, pretty much anywhere in the world, as long as you have a mouth that speaks, a heart that beats, Wi-Fi, you're able to absolutely crush it on any gold offer that you're able to find. On the contrary, with the best salesman in the world, on the worst offer in the world, he's gonna have to be dealing with lady boys because that's all he can really get and afford. It's gonna be negative $2,000 in debt. He's gonna be alone. He's gonna be picking up trash out of the trash can just to survive, you know, eat the scraps out of there. And he's not gonna have any girlfriend, and he's gonna be sleeping at the Rat. So I mean, you can kind of pick which one you wanna be. I'm not the best salesman in the world, but I was able to find myself the best offer in the world. Probably not the best in the world, but it's very good. Able to provide me $20,000 a month consistently each and every single month. But that didn't come with, you know, training every single day, role playing, and just being the best salesman. It's about being able to find the best offer. Now, of course, it is very important to have very good sales skills, so that way on this gold mine offer, you're not just showing up to the calls like a complete retard having no clue what to do. It's still very important to have these sales skills, but at the exact same time, it's very important that you're able to use these skills in the right vehicle, so that way you're not just being the best salesman on the worst offer, just sleeping and eating the bugs in the streets. And now I'm gonna go over exactly how I've helped myself and 50 plus others inside of Living Unchained right now find these gold mine offers, learn the right skills to be able to grant them at least $5,000 a month anywhere in the world. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight in. So if you guys want to go ahead and grab a notebook and pen so that we can write down exactly what platforms to look on, they're all right here. We got LinkedIn, Upwork, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter/X. Now, of course, I like to tell my students that YouTube is definitely the best, Instagram second best, Facebook third best, and then Upwork, LinkedIn, and X, those are like the last three. I wouldn't really focus on those, just focus entirely on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So guys, if I was completely broke right now and I had to find a gold mine offer within the next 30 days, this is exactly what I would do. Starting off, I would go on YouTube or Instagram and kind of go for a niche that I'm a lot comfortable and confident talking about. So for myself, day trading, fitness, anything of the sort, any type of financial offer, or any type of fitness offer, that would be kind of my mindset going in. So now that we have the niche covered, which is second, we're gonna go into the mindset of someone that's trying to learn this skill, or someone who's fat that's trying to lose weight. So let's just say day trading, for example, because that's kind of what I've been doing the entire time I've been in remote sales. I've mainly been on financial offers. Let's just say how to learn a consistent strategy with day trading, how to develop a psychology of a killer day trader. Just look up something that someone who's looking how to day trade would look up, and then you're gonna see a bunch of influencers that pop up that actually help people learn these skills, strategies, psychologies, whatever it is that people are trying to learn with day trading. So now with digging, you wanna make sure that these influencers, they have at least 10,000, 25,000 subscribers. They're getting a lot of traffic, a lot of views, because if they don't have any views, they have no subs, then they're not gonna get any money coming in the door. You wanna make sure that you're going on a gold mine offer, which means they're getting a lot of traffic, they have a lot of followers, and a high ticket offer as well. So with digging, you wanna make sure they have traffic, and you wanna make sure they have a high ticket offer. And to make sure they have a high ticket offer, what you can do is dig a little bit deeper, go through their funnel, go to their landing page, DM them, and just see what the process looks like of them actually getting you sold. So for YouTube, for example, if you go to their bio, they usually have a link there. But if you can't find a high ticket offer there, you can also go to their YouTube video, click on it, go to the description. They have something to do with like one-on-one access. Click on anything that sounds like a high ticket offer, and then it usually brings you to a landing page where it has like a VSL, which is like a video sales letter, and then you just watch that. And then if it gives you an option to book a call, then you're now 99% certain that they do have a high ticket offer, and all that's left is now to outreach. And I'll give you guys an example of how to outreach in just a second, but following that, number 6 is being able to track who you're reaching out to, how many times you reach out to them. Did you get an interview? Did you not get an interview? Did they never answer? Did they follow up? Just make sure you track everything so that way you're very efficient and you know what's working and what's not working as well. So guys, to properly outreach, you're gonna have some nice colored shirt on. You're gonna look very good, tan, sexy. But if you don't look tan and sexy like me, then you can just get a ring light, go get a haircut, have good audio, very important, a good camera, and it goes something like this. Hey, my name is Ryan Little. I'm 22 years old, living in Koh Samui, Thailand right now. I really love and respect what you're doing, helping people level up their lives with day trading, and I would love to call and close all of your old, cold, dead leads just to prove to yourself that I'm your guy. No need to respond. I know you're very busy, living it up there in Dubai, but I really love and respect what you do. Hope everything is going well, and I can't wait to hear back from you. So you see what I did there? I kind of just sold myself a little bit that I call and close all of their old, cold, dead leads. So there's no risk to them and all the risk is on me just to prove to them that I'm their guy. Now, of course, when you're sending out these outreach messages, you want to be able to say their name, customize and tailor everything to the person that you're sending it to. So that way it's a lot more personable and they feel like you're literally just talking to them. And then with this video outreach that you're going to be doing, you're going to want to attack them from every single angle. You want to send it to both of their emails that you find from their YouTube. The first one that you get is through the about section on the YouTube. And the second email that you get is through actually booking a call. And then you get a confirmation email from either the influencer himself or the closer. And if you get the closer's email, you're going to have to tailor everything to him because now you have to close the closer on getting on that offer. And then you can also reach out to him on Instagram in the DM, send this video outreach there, as well as posting on a story. You don't have to do your main account, but create a separate account on Instagram where you're gonna be posting on your story this exact video outreach to the influencer and then tag the influencer on your story. And you can do the exact same thing on Facebook. Actually, you got a lot of more responses on Facebook DMs than I did in Instagram DMs because no one's really reaching out through Facebook DMs as much as Instagram. And then of course, if you can find them on LinkedIn, Upwork, Twitter, those are also very good places, but mainly both of the emails that you get from YouTube, their Instagram, and their Facebook are the 4 most likely ways that you're going to get a response or a view to your video outreach. And then I'd recommend doing at least 5 completely customized and tailored outreaches each and every single day until you land an offer. And if you do at least 300 outreaches, there's literally no way you don't land an offer as long as it's high quality, good lighting, good audio, good camera, you feel good, you're confident in yourself. There's literally no way you don't land an offer. Now guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe as that does help the channel. And if you're an appointment setter watching this and you want to learn exactly how to become an appointment setter first, and this is more for people who've never even heard about remote sales, appointment setting, the bar to entry is very low compared to closing. So make sure to watch the video. It should be in the top right, top left. It goes a lot more in depth in terms of appointment setting, especially if you have 0 skills right now. But yeah, following that guys, it's been an absolute pleasure. It's glaring, the sun is glaring in my eyes right now, so I look Chinese the entire video. But it's been an absolute pleasure guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.